అందరం కాలేజీ నుంచి వచ్చాక చాలా సంవత్సరాలు మనం కలుసుకోవడం చాలా తక్కువ ఉండేది. ఎందుకంటే ఆ వయసులో ఎవరు షాపుల వాళ్ళు ఎవరి పనుల వాళ్ళు ఉండి చాలా సంవత్సరాలు కలుసుకోలేకపోయాము. కాకపోతే కొన్ని సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత లోకల్ మీట్స్ ఎక్కడ చిలకలూరుపేటలో 10 మంది కలుసుకోవడం, విజయవాడలో 10 మంది కలుసుకోవడం, హైదరాబాద్లో 10 మంది కలుసుకోవడం అలాగే అప్పుడప్పుడు జరుగుతుండేది. కానీ అంత భారీ ఎత్తున అందరం కలుసుకునే అవకాశం అప్పుడు కలగలేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఎవరెవరు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారో కూడా తెలియని పరిస్థితి. అలాగా మనం 2010 ఆ ప్రాంతాల్లో చాలా వరకు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారని కొంతవరకు వారి అడ్రస్లు ఫోన్ నెంబర్ను కలెక్ట్ చేసి 2011లో ఫస్ట్ టైం విజయవాడలో కొంచెం ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా ఆల్ ఓవర్ స్టేట్లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళందరూ తెచ్చుకొని విజయవాడలో ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ క్లబ్లో పెట్టాము. అప్పుడు మిస్టర్ అజాద్ కుమార్ స్పాన్సర్డ్ మీ ఫస్ట్ టైం అప్పుడు సుమారు 80 మంది వచ్చారు. చాలా సంతోషం. తర్వాత అలాగే నెక్స్ట్ టైం మళ్ళీ హైదరాబాద్లో జరిగింది. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ టైం హైదరాబాద్ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ విజయవాడలో కొద్దిమంది స్పాన్సర్స్తో 3 స్పాన్సర్స్తో మళ్ళీ విజయవాడలో ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ క్లబ్లో జరిగింది. అప్పుడు సుమారుగా 150 మంది వచ్చారు. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ టైం అప్పుడు కేఎస్ రాజు గారు వచ్చినప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఏం చేస్తానని అనౌన్స్ చేసి కేఎస్ రాజు గారు హైదరాబాద్లో వాళ్ళ ఆఫీసులోనే ఈ మీట్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. అప్పుడు అందరం కలుసుకున్నాము. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ టైం వైజాగ్లో మల్లికార్జున బాబు చెప్పారు, రాయుడు గారు, కొంతమంది ముఖ్యులు మోహన్ కృష్ణ లాంటి వారు, కృష్ణరాజు, అలా కొంతమంది స్పాన్సర్స్ కలిపి చాలా గ్రాండ్గా సెలబ్రేట్ చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం 2016లో మనం ఇక్కడ విజయవాడ క్లబ్లో అందరం కలుసుకుంటున్నాము. చాలా సంతోషం. సంవత్సరానికి ఒకసారి అయినా కూడా మనం అందరం కలుసుకోవడం ఎంతో ఆనందదాయకమైన విషయం. మనం ఇవాళ కలుసుకున్నప్పుడు మన పాతకాలం ఇప్పుడు 20 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం 50 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం మన 20ఏళ్ళలో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉన్న జ్ఞాపకాలు నెమరేసుకుంటూ ఆ రోజుకి పరిస్థితులు ఆ రోజు ఎలా జరిగింది, ఎలా చేసుకుంటున్నాయి మనం నెమరేసుకుంటే ఎంతో ఆనందంగా గడపడం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు జరగాలంటే చాలామంది కార్యకర్తలు చాలామంది పనిచేయడం, వారి ఫైనాన్షియల్గా కానీ ఈ సంవత్సరం అయితే అందరి పార్టిసిపేషన్ ఉంది. అందరూ కలిసికట్టుగా అందరూ ఫైనాన్షియల్గా హెల్ప్ చేసి అందరూ కలిసి చేసుకున్నాము. ఇలా కార్యక్రమం జరగాలంటే చాలామంది పనిచేయాలి. కనుక చాలామంది కార్యకర్తలు అందరూ కలిసి పనిచేసి చేస్తే కానీ ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమం విజయవంతంగా జరగడం కష్టం. అలాగా ఎంతోమంది చేశారు. దాంట్లో అజాద్ మొట్టమొదటిసారి వాటి నుంచే ప్లాన్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు జరగబోయేదానికి ఏమేమి చేయాలో ముందు నుంచి ఆయన 7 నెలల క్రితం ప్లాన్ చేసుకుని ఆయన హెల్ప్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంకొక ముఖ్యమైన విషయం వాళ్ళు చెప్పదలుచుకుని ఏంటంటే ఇలాగా అందరూ 20 మంది కలిపి చేసినా 10 మంది కలిపి చేసినా కార్యక్రమం విజయవంతం కావాలి అంటే ఒక సారథ్యం వహించే ఒక మనిషి కావాలి, ఒక డైరెక్షన్ ఇచ్చే మనిషి ఒకటి కావాలి. 10 మంది పనిచేసినా కూడా 10 మందికి ఏమేమి పనులు చేయాలి అని అడ్రస్ చేస్తూ ఒక మనిషి వెళ్ళడం చాలా అవసరం. అలా ఎంతో ఓర్పుతో దాదాపు 6 నెలల ముందు నుంచే అందరినీ సమన్వయపరుస్తూ ఒక మనిషి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఇంత దూరం తీసుకొచ్చి ఇంత విజయవంతంగా జరపగలిగారని చెప్పడానికి నేను చాలా సంతోషపడుతున్నాను. ఆ వ్యక్తి ఎవరో కాదు, మిస్టర్ మల్లికార్జున బాబు. ఆయనకి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలపాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఇలాంటి మనిషి లేకపోతే జరగదు. తెలుసు మేము 10 మంది పనిచేసినా కూడా 10 మంది పనిచేసి డైరెక్షన్ ఇవ్వడానికి మనిషి కావాలి. ఆ మనిషి చేశారు. సో ఆయన లేకుండా నేనైతే నేను లేకుండా పెట్టాను. లేకపోతే ఎన్ని మంటలు కూడా ఆయనే చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు కావాలి కదా, ఏదైనా అంత రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ తీసుకునే వాళ్ళు మనిషి రావడం మనం చాలా అదృష్టం. ఇలా అందరూ మీరందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసినందుకు పేరున మీ అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటూ స్వాగతిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
2011లో ముందే నేను చెప్పినట్టు ఇక్కడ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అంతకుముందు 2-3 ఇయర్స్ నుంచి కూడా స్మాల్ గెట్ టుగెదర్, మేబీ 2 ఇయర్స్ ఇట్లా మన కాలేజీ వాళ్ళదే. దానికి ఏమి నేము లేదు, ఇప్పటికీ లేదు. దానికి ఏమి ఐడెంటిటీ, అలా ఒక ఐడెంటిటీ ఉంది కానీ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కానీ కమిటీలు కానీ అలా అది పర్టికులర్గా ఏమి లేవు ఇప్పుడు కూడా. బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఈస్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ దట్ స్పిరిట్ previously that from 2009-10 onwards, about 20 people gathering at one place. That continued. Then suddenly in 2011, we thought of some big event, statewide event, and he is also initiated. And then he participated in all the coming next 2013 we had one meet here, 11, 13 and now 16. 3 meets. This third meet in Vijayawada. In Vijayawada itself this is the third meet. And 2 meets we had next Hyderabad. Then he is also an important person. As he said, he has also published one book, address book at that time, 2012. Just photos and all that. It's not big book. About 125 addresses are there in that. That passed it a lot. Got color photos. It will thank him for that. Then similarly, conducting all these 3 meets, and also when we started in 2011, we were looking for a big sponsor. Of course, Raghav is there still. Then suddenly Ajat Kumar said, "You conduct. Let me see. We'll have this meet in Vijayawada successfully." And he is the solo sponsor for that 2011 meet, and we successfully completed the 2011 meet with Ajat Kumar's main involvement, participation and encouragement. Now I request Ajat Kumar say a few words to the meet. As usual, he is refusing. In every meet he refuses, but this time we cannot avoid, and he just say, "Couple."
First of all, Guruvale Namaskar. So I welcome all of you who have come all the way from. The success is not small thing. The success of the mind of the people who have come all the way. And to remember the old memories of the college and remembering our lecturers and teachers. I thank all of you coming with all your wives and all that. Thank you ladies also taking so much of pain in coming all over here. And if at all anything to talk, we only can talk about the memories of the college. I will only tell you 2 memories of the college. The first time when 8 of us got into the training, that is in July 22nd, 1964. So we went to the college and then first we got admitted and the first day of the hostel. So we were of the impression that we all eating habits were different that time. So we have the feeling that the summer will be food first. So we all gone with our pickles and all that. The first day everything was put immediately. Where it came into the sambar and the rice. So immediately with so much immediately I got a message Niyama. Then he went and complained to the hostel manager, and then he came, this man was selling, sir, this man is Bajudana. It is not that we wanted to do it, it's an expression of anger. That is put sambar in it. That's how the college started. And when we joined, we were so young. We have no ambitions. We don't know what to do. We are only happy that joining engineering that we are going to complete engineering. Large number of the students, their parents' ambition was to make their children as an engineer or a doctor in those days in our area. And finally we have all joined. We only say that we have joined in so and so year, but we are not very serious of coming out from the engineering college. We never said that when we came out. So see what happens when everybody joined in 64, everybody got job in 1974. So if somebody asked me, how did so many number of people joining you at the age of retirement? Then I just got into my mind that why so many people are joining here, youth, younger days, when we were there in the college. So 10 months we were in India, only 2 months we were the parents or brothers or whatever it is. And then we have travelled so long from here to those days, we used to take almost 20 hours to reach India. Afternoon we get on the train here and reach next day morning, evening 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock. And large part of the youth, younger days, we were there in India only. Not only that, even after getting married, also there are no jobs. So everybody is running for a job. And then all of them got almost 10 years of their youth. We were all together knowing about each other. So that's how our bonding is so strong. Because we have spent a lot of time with the friends. And that's why I am very happy that we still remember each one's name and wherever they are and all that. We will collect and come here and join together here. And one this thing is about the Karnataka. When I joined first year and coming back from the Vijayawada, I was in the Kalaspatnam bus stand with all my bag and baggage. So the fellow asked me 3 rupees. After within the internet, so he has made me to put for internet, I gave him internet. The other fellow is still standing there. I am thinking that this fellow might explain to me once again. So my English about Karnataka since 1965 is that very good people. So we never had any problem in the college because it's almost like Mandya is not a big town. It was almost like a small village in those days. And we were also locals. We were all friends. We never had any problem. We never been treated as if we are outsiders. We are only treated. We became part of the. We also come from agriculture. Large part of people we come from agriculture community. They are also agriculture community is more. So we all there all these years. Just like part of the Mandyans only. If somebody says, have you studied in Mandya? I say, no, I studied in Mandya. So we identify ourselves even today that we are from Mandya. So that's why we having so much of love and affection for all the, still we remember if somebody says, who is your principal, who is your lecturer? We remember all the lecturers and professors who were there at that point of time. And we still remember our own, not only our Andhra classmates, we remember our own the Kannada classmates also. The other day I was talking to Panchalingu on Nilidananda, he made some calls and made me to talk to those old students. So, I mean, this is all these things, small memories about the college and other things. We were very happy in those days, hostel and all that. But only thing is we have done more of playing cards rather than studying. So we, of course, not that we have just only played cards, of course that has given us a lot of experience, a strength in dealing in day-to-day life. So we were not very regularly not good students. We in the large part of us. Some of them are good students who passed out in 5 years. But we were most of the time in playing college games or politics or playing cards, we took more years. But still, in life, large part of us are successful. But however, sir, thank you very much for coming all the way from Mandya, sir. Thank you.
As I have 2011 కాకుండా he is involved himself in the 2013 meet. He is one of the sponsors of 2013 meet, and he is also a major sponsor for this meet. Later on we had a meet at 2012 at Hyderabad, and those that meet was attended by about 95 people, 100 participants. Hello. It was sponsored by few group of friends like K.S. Rao and the wife and K. Narasimha and other few more friends like that. And after that again 2013 meet was organized here, and that was attended by about 110 friends, and it was combinedly organized and sponsored by Rama Reddy, Leeram and Ajay Kumar. 2014, when we come to 2014, it was again in Hyderabad, and the sole sponsor for that who has encouraged us. We had that meet at their place. Is K.S. Raju. He is showing interest in all the mates. He in fact planned to come here today, but unfortunately he has some urgent work and he could not come here. He asked us, all of us, to excuse him, and his non-participation is an important thing, but still he is keenly interested, and he is very much interested in our alumni meets. And later on in 2015, as I said, he arrived with some of his friends organized that place. And now we are in 2016, 6th consecutive meet. Before next is we will introduce as usual. In addition to our president, our lecturers and all that, we have always some guests from Karnataka, and we treat them as friends and also guests and our members also. So those are some of new friends have come here. As usual, there is a normally introduction of the friends, but here last time we did it in Vizag, but it is the time will not permit. Maybe BLS and Chennai staff wants to know who are all these people, but introducing all these people may be a long process. So they can introduce with you when they come nearer to you, and that is not possible to introduce all that in this platform. But we will introduce some of our Karnataka friends now. So I request them, I introduce their names, and they can come here onto the dais, please. Now we have, in fact, our present principal, Mr. Sridhar, wanted to come. He said that he will be coming, but unfortunately he could not come here. Now Dr. Ravindra, Vice Principal of our college, now present Vice Principal, he has come here. I request Vice Principal Dr. Ravindra to come on to the dais. Present civil engineering professor, special officer, he is also working. He is Mr. Jaishankar, Dr. Jaishankar Babu, professor in civil engineering and special officer. And another is our old friend who is coming for last 3 minutes, Panchali, Joint Secretary. We are fortunate to go and see the college in this year, in March. And he has innovated us and organized us in an excellent way, and we cannot forget that for 3 days. Shut. You can have it, Panchu. Next is our friend Giriraj. He has also attended previously 2-3 days. Now, he is our alumni. Yes, we can't remove calling our guest because we attended a lot of meetings. Giriraj, please come on to dais. This is Suprasad. College mates they are one Mr. Jairam Raju. He came with his wife and Jairam Raju of 66-67 batch. Maybe many of you got introduced to him. Please come here. A. Ramalaju. Take your seat. This way. When I was reading, I forgot, sorry, Mr. Chandrasekhar. In the line, he has to come, Mr. Chandrasekhar has to come third, by overall requested. I request our ex-principal, Mr. Chandrasekhar, the ex-principal, Mr. Chandrasekhar. Dr. Chandrasekhar, our ex-principal.
Actually, we were naughty students in those days. He became principal. He was very naughty student there.
I collected the information. Manav section, nothing. I request P. Bhaskar, of course he is senior to him, but still I request him to come and Bhaskar.